In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get more ores here in Clash of Clans. Before we dive into this though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. But if you're looking to collect more ores here in Clash of Clans, here's the best ways to stack them up very quickly. First things first, make sure that you're participating in active wars for your clan and perform well, especially against higher town hall opponents, because winning those wars gives you a great chance at earning ores as rewards. On top of that, there is CWL battles, which is clan war leagues, and the better that you perform and the better that your overall league placement is for your clan, the more ores that you can claim at the end of the season. Now there also is the raid medals shop, and you can use raid medals from the capital raids within your clan stuff to purchase ores directly from that shop. So I definitely recommend checking those offers regularly. I don't think that's the best method, but it's definitely in there because ores can sometimes rotate in and out as limited time rewards. But obviously with clan games, you can compete challenges and unlock tiered rewards, which can give you ores or other valuable items like resource runes for those final rewards. So make sure you're doing those as well. But obviously the biggest thing right now for getting ores is actually in the game itself and the in-game events that Supercell host. These special events often offer bonus ores or magic items as rewards for completing basic tasks. So definitely make sure you're keeping an eye out for those. But if you use all of these previously mentioned methods together, you're going to maximize your ore stash very quickly. If this video did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. We would greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.